Hello students, today's topic is control and coordination. We are beginning with the new chapter control and coordination. What do we mean by control and coordination? That there are various systems in the body, like we have done respiratory system, digestive system, circulatory system, excretory system. How these organs they act in a coordinated manner. This is controlled by control and coordination. This control occurs in our body at three levels. First is the genic level, that is in the cell, each cell of there is present a nucleus. Inside the nucleus there are present several thread-like structures, and these thread-like structures are called chromosomes, and on these chromosomes genes are located, and these genes they are made up of a chemical substance called DNA. These genes they control the various functions of the body. Second type of control is the chemical control. For chemical control there are present different glands at different locations in the body. These glands secrete special chemicals called hormones, and then the hormones control the functioning of various body parts and the organs. Third type of control is the nervous control. Nervous control takes place by different means. Nervous control is further divided into three types, that is central nervous system, CNS. It is peripheral nervous system, PNS, and autonomic nervous system, that is ANS. Central nervous system consists of brain and the spinal cord. The brain and spinal cord they are connected to almost all the organs of the body by means of nerves. The peripheral nervous system consists of nerves which arise from the brain and spinal cord. The nerves which arise from brain they are called the cranial nerves, and the nerves which arise from spinal cord they are called the spinal nerves. Then we have autonomic nervous system, which is of two types. It is sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for emergency situations like anger, fear, excessive joy, etc. And the parasympathetic nervous system it brings the body back to the normal situation. So in this chapter we are going to study nervous system, all the three types: central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, the nerves arising from the brain and spinal cord, and the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Plus we will be also discussing chemical control. The genic control is done in class 12, not in class 10. So that will be discussed in detail there. What is the structural and functional unit of nervous system? The nervous system is made up of special type of cells called nerve cells or neurons. Let us see the structure of a neuron. A neuron consists of a cell which has the following features. The cell body, the main structure is called cyton or soma or cell body. From this cell body arises the various types of processes, and these processes are of two types. Let us see how we have to draw these. These processes are of two types. One is the many small branches which arise from the cell body. These small branches are called dendrites. These are small, branched but many. And there is a one single process which arises from cell body. This single process is called axon. From the cell body is known as cytosoma, soma, arises two types of processes: small, many and branched processes called dendrites, and one single unbranched process which is called axon. There is present a nucleus in the center of cell body, and there are present many special proteinaceous bodies in the cytoplasm, and these are called Nissil, Nissil, Nissil granules. Axon at the other end, it gives off few small branches. These are called terminal arborization, and these end in the knob-like structures, and these knob-like structures are called synaptic knob. Axon on its outer surface, they are protected by a sheet of protein. That protein is myelin, myelin, and this sheath of protein around axon is called myelin sheath. We can see that the myelin sheath is not continuous. At places it is absent, like this. It is not present here, this point on the axon where myelin sheath is absent. This is called node of Ranvier. This is the structure of neuron.